If you have a child in their first year of primary school, there is a good chance you will have come across the word phonics. Phonics is the method of learning to read words that is taught from the start of reception. Read on the find how your child uses phonics at school, how to correctly say the 44 phonics. So hello friends, there is your host Aashi Khan. How you people are doing? So friends, today the topic of this video is about phonics. So let's get started. There are 26 letters of the alphabet, but they make 44 sounds. Use our audio guide to hear all 44 phonic sounds on their own and in example words. So let's get started.
A, a, ant, ant, ant. A, 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 a. Apron, rain, day, make, they, veil, way, straight. R, 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 R. D, dog, muddy, pulled. E, e, e. Egg, head, friend, leopard, any. E, 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 E. Feet, see, he, chief, these, ceiling. Ear, 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 ear. Dear, dear, here, peer.
So friends, I hope you like this video. It's the first set from A to E in phonics topic, but there is 3 more sets and inshallah soon we will learn about them. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.